Hey gamers, are you tired of that annoying soundbar that appears while you're playing your favorite games? This week we're diving into the problem and showing you how to fix soundbar appears while playing games. While having full control over your audio is crucial when gaming, that pesky soundbar popping up can really ruin the immersive experience. But don't worry. In this guide, we'll walk you through some easy to follow steps to help you banish that unwelcome visitor and get back to your game without interruptions. Step 1. Check your keyboard and mouse settings. The first step in addressing the soundbar issue is examining your keyboard and mouse settings. Sometimes a stray input can cause the soundbar to appear unexpectedly. Go into your device settings and look for any shortcut keys or mouse buttons that might be linked to your volume controls. Disable any unnecessary shortcuts or reassign them to prevent accidental activation. This can be particularly useful for those using gaming keyboards with programmable keys. Step 2. Adjust system notifications. Another sneaky culprit could be your system notifications. Head over to your computer settings and check the notifications panel. Ensure that any notification settings related to your audio are minimized or completely turned off. This helps eliminate the possibility of your system generating alerts that cause the soundbar to appear during your gaming sessions. Remember, fewer distractions lead to a better gaming experience. Step 3. Update audio drivers. Keeping your audio drivers updated is crucial for smooth system operation. Outdated drivers could result in unexpected bugs, such as the appearance of the soundbar. Visit your sound card manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers or utilize your operating system's built-in driver update tool for a hassle-free update process. Regularly updating your drivers not only helps in fixing bugs, but also enhances overall system performance. Step 4. Check game-specific audio settings. Sometimes the solution can be as simple as adjusting in-game audio settings. Open your game and navigate to the Audio Settings menu. Ensure that your audio configurations do not include any settings that might trigger the soundbar, such as surround sound modes or in-game volume controls. Tweaking these settings could resolve the soundbar issue without impacting your gaming audio quality. Step 5. Experiment with third-party audio tools. If you're still experiencing issues, consider using third-party audio management tools. Software like Equalizer APO or SoundSwitch can offer more comprehensive control over your audio outputs, allowing you to customize many aspects according to your needs, including volume levels, balance, and outputs. Fixing the problem of a soundbar appearing while playing games can be straightforward with a little patience and exploration of your system settings. From adjusting keyboard and mouse settings to utilizing third-party tools, taking these steps can greatly enhance your gaming experience by removing unwanted distractions. Remember that keeping your drivers up to date and staying on top of system notifications are key elements in ensuring seamless play. Game on, and say goodbye to that pesky soundbar for good. Happy gaming.